example of this conversion which is there in your book. It is on page number 35, I think. Yes, page number 35. This question is there, converting R into P. Now question number 4 we have already done. E and F we have done in last to last class. I have shown a video of it. You can do the these answers, conversion of E from converting E to F. You can do it from there. Only this one is remaining, that is R to P, that we will be doing right now. Now first I have to make an R and then I have to convert R into P. For converting R into P, I just need to remove this line. Just delete this line and it will be done. So let's start. First we'll be making R. First see where the turtle has gone. We'll be doing by ST and then I will be making a R. FT, suppose 100, then RT 90, FT 50, RT 90. It's just simply as you make a box, it's simple command. You are making a square here. LT and RT 90, FT 50 is just P. Now first we have to make it into an R. Now turtle is here. I need to turn the turtle towards the right side. RT 45 and I have to do BK command. BK around, I think it is a 50, so it will be around more than that, somewhere like 70. I already told you that when the line is slanted we have to take around 20 extra. So it's now R. Now what we have to do is we have to convert R into P. So this line need to be removed. Let's do for that we need to turn the turtle to simply to an erase mode. So we will be doing PE, pen erase, and simply moving the turtle on this slanted line. So it will be FD 50 and it's done. No, it was 70 and I have done FD 50. So you can see here the 20 points line is still there. So I will move FD 20 and then I will do hide turtle, and the R was very easily converted to P. So this was one more example. I need to do pen normal to make the turtle in the normal mode. Alright.